update on the Project K29. So although the bluing was in relatively good condition, there were still some parts on the barrel, specifically the rear sight and the trigger guard, that were kind of covered in some light surface rust. Nothing with like deep pitting or anything like that. It wasn't as bad as anything you'd see on like a Royal Tiger import gun by any means, no, but just wanted to address that. So what I did is I boiled all the parts. I'll put up a couple pictures here of the barreled action in a little bit of a cooking pot, so to speak, and some of the smaller parts boiling separately. And then once that was complete and all the parts look like all rusted crap, I used some very fine bronze wool to kind of use a little bit of abrasion to get that resulting surface rust off, revealing a much nicer bluing underneath. And I had all the parts soaked in a container of kerosene overnight. So the next step here is to just let these parts dry off, and then I'll go ahead and oil them, and we'll get everything back together. Okay, the K29 is back in action in the new stock after oiling all the parts and cleaning them up. It's looking pretty good there. Did want to point out that I did use some white crayon to bring out some of the stamps, kind of rubbed that in, scrubbed off the excess just so they pop a little bit more. I really like how it turned out, and it's easy brushed off with just a toothbrush. So it's not a permanent thing. The trigger was replaced, so I like that longer path of travel on this one. And a shot of the underside. So considering the bore condition of this rifle, this is probably going to be my shooter. And once again, I'm just really happy with how this one turned out. So I've been tracking some of the closing prices on auctions of Polish crested Mausers in recent history on GunBroker, and I'll put those up here. And as you can see, I mean, they're averaging around, you know, $2,000 up to $3,000 and up for like matching examples. So, I mean, this one turned out to be somewhat of a budget one that I was able to put together. Small fraction of what those other ones go for. So I think this was a worthwhile endeavor. Thanks everybody for watching.